यहाँ से लेकर एंड तक की निकल सकती सारी गुफा में बंद कर देता है।
It is raining outside and we're still in bed. We don't wanna wake up yet, no. 'Cause I just wanna stay there right next to you, baby, yeah.
अच्छा
'Cause we both deserve this time. All work, no play, it's like we're running away. And we can't stay in our beds all day. 'Cause we both deserve it all. Maybe we can sleep in and skip work today. Then I'll make you scramble